Good morning. Well, yesterday we were on that trail for 6.5 miles that ran kind of parallel to the 89. Didn't find a good spot to pitch a tent and camp. So less than a mile off that trail was a rest area on Highway 89. So this is where we slept last night. Covered little patio or covered little picnic area. Got in here about 9:30, so it was sort of late. There was only one other vehicle, which is unusual for a rest area, and it's been pretty quiet this morning too. I don't see, well, there might be one vehicle still over there, but it's kind of a nice area. It's in a canyon, and so even though it's about 8 o'clock, the sun still hasn't come over the crest of a little mountain over there. Cooper, relax. You can get off there if you want. Not sure if he wants to get off. It's a little warmer there. So it'd be nice if when the sun comes up, or comes over at least, that ridge, warm things up a little bit. Twinkie, come here. Come on. Twinkie. Here she comes. There were quite a few deer in here last night, which was driving Twinkie crazy. So I'm going to pack up the sleeping bag and make breakfast, feed the dogs, and get on the road. I think yesterday, let me see, how far did we travel? It was a pretty long day. Mostly because of the wind, but we still got some pretty good miles in. I think this rest area is in part of a national forest area. Let's see. Yesterday we rode 39.7, so almost 40 miles, which is pretty good. Ridden 3,842 miles then. So we are making our way slowly. Twinkie is pooping. I know she wants to probably walk down that little trail there. But kind of like it. I like this. We're out of the farmland area, like I said yesterday, so I like it. More foresty, more rugged, and so hopefully we'll get in about maybe 30 miles today. I don't think Cooper wants to leave the sleeping bag. You want to stay warm, don't you, big guy? He does. So yeah, very nice little rest area. It's just really quiet, other than the highway next to it. So gonna get cleaned up and hopefully have a great day. How you guys doing? Yeah, good dogs, good dogs.
came out to say hi, Twinkie. Good dogs. They just came out to say hi to you, Twinkie. Good dogs. Okay, see you guys later. Bye-bye. Oh, Twinkie. Oh, Twinkie. They were just saying hi to you, Twinkie.